Hello everyone, welcome back to the Web Architect. I'm Lorenzo Finazzi, and today we'll be introducing Lesson 4, UL, LE, HREF, and A tags, and external and internal page link. I'm Lorenzo Finazzi with Web Architect, and this is the basic HTML and CSS course. Make sure to follow all of our lessons to be connected with the channel. And like that, let's get started. So, what are UL and LE HTML tags? UL are the collection of information, usually a bullet point list, and LE HTML tags are the actual bullet points inside the collection of a UL tag. So, without further ado, let's get into our Visual Studio Code setup. So, I already have it open. So, I'd like to do side by side if you haven't noticed. So, here we have our page that we created last class. So, I'm going to go and then I'm going to div. I'm going to create a div container, and then we're going to do h2 with types of coding and go widgets. So now what that is, we can see that, and then we're going to do ul because that's our collection, and then lee. Python. Python appears. Ul. Nope. Lee. C++. C++ appears. Now, as you can see, there aren't really bullet points because in order for there to be bullet points, we have to add something that I didn't include in this title, but style, and then padding left. And you only need to do this like 1 or 2%. And then there you have it. It is a little bit more organized. Now, in the future lessons, I will show you how to organize this better, but usually you can also do this a little bit higher. So H2, tab, so our code is a little bit more organized, and then there you have it. Do it above the div tag. So, and then let's add something else. Lee. Done. That is pretty much, it's not that hard. It looks so simple, but it can be applied in navbar containers. It can be applied in so many things, and it's very important that you learn how to do this because it is key to pretty much anything else that you do in your HTML and CSS journey. Here's your syntax, and this is basically what comes out. I would look at this again whenever you have trouble coding. So A tag with href. So A tags are usually used to link pages, open links in new tabs, and direct links. href is the declaration module used to direct pages inside of an A tag. So inside of Visual Studio, and we're going to add, let's add it. Actually, we can do it inside add, we'll just add it. We'll add a Lee tag. Sure. Lee and A. You can add tags inside of tags if you didn't know that. And then we're going to do move into the brackets, space, href, and let's do https forward slash apple.com, and then of course another forward slash just so you can declare. And then inside of the tag you just write Apple website. Boom. And as you can see, we have a tag. And of course, this is going to open up inside of our pages. In a future lesson, I will show you how to open up in a new tab. Not that hard. But now you can open up. Now this also can be taken very far because you can do so many things with this. It is so important that you learn this. So now link your index HTML file to another HTML page. So this varies from which compiler you're using. Live server just uses a basic href references and a local compiler, so you're not using live server. You must declare the file directly location. This is adjusted if you're deploying GitHub pages. Oh, what am I doing? So in order to do that, you have to go here and then let's just create a new div, and then this so we can and name this, create an A tag, and remember inside of your tag go href, and then and then you have to find the page. So in order to do this, you go to your Visual Studio Code. You can do this, and then I create another home.html, copy path, and then you can do done, and then you add our home page, and then you can see here. Well, of course, since we're in live server, you actually don't have to do this. So this is just for when you're doing this without live server, but this is how I do it with. Of course, it's going to give you a lot of errors. It is just index home.html. That is the simple. And then end it like that still. Home page, and it opens up home.html. So um, that is that. So today we learned a lot of key points in our coding journey, all of which will be applied when we learn CSS. So it is very key that you learn how to do these very simple steps because you will use these, I guarantee, in your future lessons. So thank you for joining us today in our HTML and CSS journey, lesson 4. I hope to see you in our next video, lesson 5. I will be posting a lot of content this week, so make sure that you are subscribed and you turned on notifications. I thank you for watching and have a nice day.